Amen?
Amen. Thank you, Dino. Next, may we call on Gloria. Gloria of COP.
Medyo pa ba yan?
For your love
Irish and her husband and the very best. And may God's blessings be upon you. And there will be times that in any marriage, there will be times that you'll have problems between you. There'll be arguments. That's normal. And then
Because I remember the last time we went to the beach. She almost the stool of a curtain, shower curtain. Oh my God. She's really a very artistic person. My message,
where we were before. And we have a lot of fun, especially during the camps and during the projects that we have in the fellowship. Because Iris is so talented, we always looking for assignments. And it was in the fellowship where he showed his talents were really glittering during those days. And what we would like to wish for Iris is may this love that you are now deep inside you may last forever. And we'd like to see you
habang may ilaw pa.
Kasi may picture, busy sila eh. Picture pa. Pero hindi ko na lang. Yung baby. Hi! Kasi kay Mrs. ni...
Kulang nga kayo.